apparently they finished already in just a bit. See? Ta-da! So it's very clean, cozy, with light wood grain. I think it's nice. So this will go quite well with our modern Mediterranean theme, which is coming together quite nicely. Let me show you the TV console. So let's do a little walk through here. This is the final flooring that we just installed. Very clean, very nice. And then we proceed to the living area. Okay, this is an island counter that is supposed to be here, where the kitchen is. But we are still in the midst of doing, and we need to do toweling here. Here, give it a nice graphic, geometric look to it, and also this side. So all three sides lah, huh? More importantly, is the TV console that I want to show you. Ta-da-da-da! Okay, you ask me, why is it in such a weird shape? I don't tell you first. You will see eventually when it's done. But it will be nice, I assure you. The secret weapon also, this is another secret weapon, is this side of the wall, which we will have full height storage, but not the typical full height cabinet, because we need to slot in a sofa so that when you sit here, you can watch TV here. So it's all in modern Mediterranean theme, and we already bought quite a bit of accessories to beef up the look. I can't wait to show you this entire setup soon. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. We are going to have, but should I mention? Okay, I think I don't tell you first. If I tell you already, there is no fun anymore. So I won't tell you, but you will eventually see it when it all comes together. I know, I'm very irritating, but that's just me. Oh, too bad. And these are the old kitchen cabinets, which will be repurposing, which means we are just changing out the doors, so that we won't waste money. Okay, these are still in pretty good condition. We will repurpose, and we will add on another full height unit here, which is our dry kitchen. This side is the wet kitchen, this side is the dry kitchen. Sounds like a plan? I also see. So I can't wait for the rest of the carpentry to start. Hopefully soon. Then I can share the entire house with you. Yay! I want to show you the bathroom that we have done. It's all these marble white tiles, but more importantly, paired with black geometric floor tiles, which will give it the character, but we keep everything more classic, so hence the marble black tiles. So it's traditional yet not so traditional. It's again going to be very sleek, clean, and our vanity, right, will be here, and it's going to be in black. So the entire bathroom, right, will be black and white. And we'll have a very nice sleek sink on top of this vanity. And there'll be vanity cabinets as well, mirror cabinets. So hard to imagine huh? Until you see the actual thing. Can't wait to show you guys. Can't wait. Okay, then we come to this master bedroom. Actually very nice, right? This whole place is really sun-basked. It's really full height, windows everywhere. So we have no lack of sunlight. What we'll do to this room is quite straightforward. In the middle, we will have built-in cabinets to store my client's handbags. So what happens is, she will access from the side and open up the door, then she can get all the bags from here. Similarly, she will get all the bags from this side. And it's a go-through thingy to fully maximize the bags storage space. Of course, those that are very deep inside will be hard to access but then nothing that something to draw it out oneself. So it's still okay. My client, they prefer to do it this way. And this is the existing cabinets wardrobe that came with this unit. So what we'll do is we'll change out the doors as well. Before, this is a not so nice frosted glass door. So we're going to change it to match with all the laminates in this room. And more importantly, right, here, and this entire stretch, we'll have drawers, so that the laminates, right, will come out from the bay window, the sides, and join in with the whole stretch of drawers to look like one unit. Yeah, so a lot of thoughts have been put into ensuring that this whole space won't be full of different types of laminates, because seamlessness works to give it simplified beauty. So that's the plan for now. You can't see much here now until the carpentry comes in. Okay, so as you can see, the entire renovation is coming together very nicely, and it's very exciting. No, I'm gonna do this. Look like a monkey. So now we are just waiting for all the carpentry to come in so that we can settle everything one shot, like everything. Then the entire modern Mediterranean feel will come together with the white base, blue accent, dark blue accent, and a splash of yellow. So it's not very fresh looking, and also rather unusual because you rarely see a place of this concept. So I think I've given enough hints as to how the house is going to be like, but stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned. I will bring you on another house visit. I'll bring you on another site visit so that you can join me and take a look at the progress of the place. It's always fun to see how the place comes together. So I'm glad you're joining me on this. Thank you. Bye.